Hi everyone, here we've got HAFURY Note 10 and let me show you how to set the screen timeout on this device. So firstly, we have to find and open the settings, and here let's tap on the display. Now let's choose the advanced, and here we've got the sleep option, so let's tap on it. As you can see here, we can choose from some options. We can set either 15 or 30 seconds, or 1 to 5, 10 or 30 minutes. Now we've got 10 minutes applied, but if you want to change it, then simply tap on the time you want to use. For example, 30 minutes. And as you can see, it immediately changes, so it means that from now on, this device will sleep after 30 minutes of inactivity. So that's all. This is how to set the timeout in your HAFURY Note 10. Thank you so much for watching. If you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.